Hello everybody, this is the video for Tuesday, December 21st, 2021, and the first thing we did was enter this information on your Earth orbit sheet. Winter officially started for the Northern Hemisphere at 9:59 a.m. and here's the date, 9:59 a.m. 8.5 hours of daylight, 15.5 hours of night. The sun was directly overhead for the people at the Tropic of Capricorn in the far south. Okay, so hang on to that sheet. The last time we used it was 6 weeks ago when the Earth was here. That was Halloween. We moved from here to here in 6 weeks. All right, now the rest of the video is going to be like 5 minutes at the most. We're going to work on this thing, and today we spent show and tell time working on the sedimentary rock. Okay, so I took a student's sheet who was gone today. Thankfully, I had most of my people here today. And the notes we wrote first were, sedimentary rock is made from stuff that's settled in water. So you add that to the S box. And then you'll notice there's three different kinds, three different boxes of sedimentary rock. Let me pull back. Strawberry, chocolate, and vanilla? No. Okay. The three types are clastic, chemical, and organic. And we're going to abbreviate clastic Cl, chemical CH because there are two C's, and organic we're abbreviating O. Okay, so clastic. That clastic means pieces. So clastic sedimentary rock is rock made of pieces of other rock. PCS is pieces. Okay, so write that down in the top box. And then chemical. This is sedimentary rock made out of dissolved minerals. I'm going to show you examples of all these. And then the last type is organic, sedimentary rock made out of dead stuff. And you might already be able to guess what that is. All right, next, I'm going to give you some examples. Here's sandstone, and it broke even when I just set it on the table. I don't know if you can see. See the sand? This piece is really poorly put together. I mean, I have sand in my hands now. That's made out of sand. The sand was pieces of other rock. Okay. Here's a better sandstone, and it's not falling apart. Okay. No rocks, no sand's coming off that one, but this one just falls apart. Okay. So we wrote down sandstone made out of sand, and then we said Cl for clastic. Clastic with a C, not plastic. Okay. Then limestone made out of fossilized leaves, shells, and coral. Okay. Here's a piece of limestone with a fossilized leaf in it. Okay. It's not worth anything at all. Okay. That's a leaf, just a chunk of a leaf. Here's a piece of limestone with probably like 200 seashells in it. Those are all seashells, all those bumps. Can you see that those are seashells? Let's see. And this one is a fossilized coral. Looks like a backbone or something, but it's just coral. Okay. And this one is a cool one. This looks like a whole bunch of peanut brittle or something. If you look at it, its layers all stuck together. The other example I used was, like, imagine you had a big bowl of cornflakes and you got started eating them, and then something distracted you and you came back like an hour later and it was all disgustingly stuck together in the bottom of the bowl. You're like, I'm not eating that. This came out of the floor of a cave, a cavern. Okay, that used to be a stalactite on the ceiling. It looks like a chicken bone, but it's not. Okay, so this was stuff that was stuck to the ceiling of the cave first. Then the dripping water pushed it off of the ceiling and it fell to the floor and all stuck together on the floor. And somebody brought it to the school. I didn't do it. I don't know where it came from. Some cave somewhere. So this is called flowstone, but it was made in a cave. That's dissolved minerals. So over here we wrote limestone made of fossilized leaves, shells, coral, etc. And it's organic and chemical. And the next one. These two rocks are made out of other rocks, all stuck together. Looks like a chunk of concrete, but it's not. It's called conglomerate. Those are just rocks stuck together in a mud, and it's all fossilized. I shouldn't say that. All mineralized. It's all one solid piece. Okay. That's called conglomerate, made out of other rocks. So that's clastic. And then this rock stops traffic in Alberley all the time. This is coal, and the trains that go through to power to the power plant where they burn this stuff. You burn coal to boil water. The water turns into steam, and the steam turns turbines to make electricity, the generators. Okay, so this is coal. It's pretty lightweight. Okay, kind of pretty sparkly. But there's no minerals in it. I mean, there's no crystals. Okay, so that's coal made out of dead stuff, and we call that organic. The rest of the hour we spent looking at pictures of places that people go for a vacation. That's where sedimentary rock is, like Grand Canyon or the Badlands or Arches National Monument. You can Google these, they're all neat. Niagara Falls, it's where erosion's happening and sedimentary rock is being eaten away. If you've ever been to the Wisconsin Dells, that was limestone being worn away by water. All right, I'm gonna hit stop, and that is 6 minutes.